Hey, it's Tom again. Just a quick correction. Let me turn this down. This is China Radio International. That's what it shows in the listing. It says that right now they're broadcasting in English. This is English at 9.760 from China. Now, the correction, let me turn this volume down. The correction I want to make is that it found so many signals, many were noise, that it only got up to 9.760. And then it ran out of memory locations at the max, which is 200. That's the correction. It got like halfway through the band. Not even halfway through the band. No, I just wanted to make that correction. I think I finally got this set up working. I can, once again, I haven't heard China radio in years, and I'm finally getting it to come in. It's the best time of the year, early morning, early evening, the best time to listen to international broadcast. I'm using my best antenna. My Mega Loop is plugged into the back of this. This is the Retekess TR113. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.